Hey guys, Blazing World here, back with another video today, and welcome back to SlimeRacher. Today, I have no idea what we're going to be doing on SlimeRacher, actually. Well, what I wanted to do, now that I have my phosphors, obviously I wanted to get some more. So I want to get some more phosphor slimes. And I would also like a plort collector for them. Like, no plorts. And then I'm going to go feed that pink Gordo slime lots and lots of stuff. And get my first SlimeKey. As soon as I collect them, their plorts, they end up getting more. That's kind of annoying. Alright, I'm gonna go try and find some rock slimes. Or, actually, let's see. It's offline. Why is it offline? Okay. Let's go collect some of these plorts. And we're looking for some rock slimes too. Mere plorts. We need some rock slimes. Oof, bit of lag. What are you doing, Hen Hen? Collect the plorts. Oh, there's plorts. And there's 20 plorts. Okay, now I'm just looking for some rock slimes. Or no, not rock slime, tabby slimes. My bad. You get out of here. You get out of here. I need these rock plorts. Thank you. I also need to upgrade my vac chamber so I can hold 30 stuff, because there's a ton of plorts over here. Tabby slime. Come here. There is a ton of plorts. Go look for some more tabby slimes. Yeah, I only need 3 more tabby slimes. So I've got it. Yay. Look at all of them. I want these tabby plorts. Pulse wave. Adds a pulse wave emitter or backpack that pushes away slimes whenever you need. What is this? Maybe. Maybe I'll get that. Hi, rock slime. Or rock pink largo. Look at all of the pink plorts over here. There's a ton of them. Ow. I just ran right into that pink rock largo. Just keep going. Ah! No. Where'd that go? Okay. So now I just need some phosphor plorts for my tabby slimes. And then I'll have all those. So I can get those tonight. And I can now get a plort collector. Activate plort collector. Yay! No plorts yet. Okay. Now I need a ton of vegetables and stuff. Not enough space. Hold on. Tank booster. 350? Oof. Okay, so I'm gonna need 350. I'll just take these two. Might be enough. Maybe. I'm gonna go see. Oh wait, actually, I'm gonna take some of these hens with me. There. That should be enough. Jeez, guys. I wonder if there's more carrots. There is. Alright, well, that's all of them. That's all that I can hold. Unless I found more hens, which I don't need. Alright, let's go to the pink larger or the pink gordo. Let's see. Keep feeding them. Oh, there he goes. Bong! SlimeKey. Alright, well, I need to pop. And I need to take this and pop. Take the hens back. Ah! Jeez. Oh, wait. No, I need all this stuff. Alright. That was good. We got me a SlimeKey. Yay. But before I go open it up, that place, a new place, I'm going to, get my phosphor slimes done first. And then we can go open that up. And then, yeah, that should be good. Making good progress. We've already got a SlimeKey. Put the hens back. I want spring grass and vitamizer. These all cost money. Alright, I'll just throw this all back in here. Actually, oops. Yeah, you're probably getting hungry. So I need the rest of these pogo fruits. And I'll put those into here. Can it be night already? Do you have a pogo fruit in your mouth? That's kind of funny. Phosphor and tabby. Rock and pink. Yes, one of each. Not anymore. There, that's better. I could get even more since if I get to the internet, yeah, if I have the internet, they won't be able to escape, obviously, so why not just get a bunch of them? Yeah. Why not? It'd just take more food, but nutrient, soil, sprinkler, scare slime. Stuffed tower model designed to keep wandering slimes away from your crops. Simple but terrifying. Yeah, I've never really found that as good. Nutrient, soil, and the sprinkler are good though. The indigo quarry makes crops always yield the maximum harvest. Really cool. Alright, yeah. Can it be night already? Or does the day have to be so long in this game? That's probably the first time I'd ask that in a game, for it to be night. Because night's usually annoying in games. Especially Minecraft, obviously. Which I am going to be making another video for it today. Minecraft video. Don't worry, guys. Oh yeah, there was a ton of plorts I want to go get. plorts. And carrots. I'll take the carrots. Ah! Didn't see there. Stop. Sheesh. Get the plorts. Oh my gosh. Look at all of the plorts. I'm already at max. Oh, jeez. Ooh, rock plort. Let's keep going. Sorry, guys. Let's go back. And we got carrots. Why do I have a pink slime? Ew. Oh, wait. Ew. Da, da. Da, 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 da. That's a lot of money. I can get the internet now, right? I can't, but do I really want it, or do I want something else? Because I can also now get the tank booster. Well, if I get the internet, I can get more of those, which will give me more money. So I want the internet. And now I need 3 phosphor plorts. Ah. Okay. Let's go. It's getting darker. You. Come with me. Booyah! There, now I have one more of you guys. Yay! Yay. Nothing. Yay. We need phosphor plorts. There they are. So I only need 3 phosphor slimes. Boop. Okay. Ooh. I'll take you too. Actually, hold on. Wait. I need more phosphor slimes. Because like I said, if they have the internet, I can hold even more of them. So let's go. Whoa! Bye, pink slime. Geesh, I threw him far. Bah. Okay. What do you want? Cube berries? I don't have cube berries, sorry. Sorry, buddy. There, and now those guys should eat the fruit, make plorts, and the tabby slime should eat those. Eat. Eat. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh. It thought something else ate it, and then it would make a tar slime or something. Yo! Oh, geesh. How is there so many? Why is there so many of them? There's so many of them for some reason. Holy crap. They're just eating them a ton. Alright. ton of them. Well, good. Lots of money. Oh, there's more in there. Why is there... Holy crap. I only put 4 of them in there. Now there's like 10. 1, 2... There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 phosphor slimes, but 6 of them are... Sheesh. Alright, I have 6 of you guys, though. Only 6. So I'm gonna need more of you. I just go get... pink slimes. Or rock slimes, I can... 2 more rock slimes. Well, the big guys are all over the place. But it would be easier if I just went and got some of the rock slimes. So I'm gonna do that. Somebody's. And I need 2 of those. 2 pink flirts. Oh, there's a rock slime. Come here, buddy. Go find another rock slime. Nope, there isn't any. Wonder if there's some over here. Yep, there's one. Thank you. No, my hen-hens. I like my hen-hens. Look at all of them. There's a bunch of them. Alright, let's go. Let's go back. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. I think we're making good progress. Especially last video, because it was 40 minutes long. Sorry if you guys like the shorter videos, because I tend to make longer videos for some reason. Alright, that's not what I want to do. Alright, hold on. You go out, and I'll feed you this. And then you can go in there. You go out, and I'll feed you that. And I'll feed you that. And then you can go in there. 2. Yay! Lots of flirts. These guys are gonna start lagging out my game because I have so many of them. They just keep jumping. They're flying everywhere. It's kind of annoying. Oh geez. Those hen-hens died quick. Or they got eaten quick. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's get tank booster. Should I get the power core too? Maybe. Maybe. Sprinting. Reduce the energy consumption of sprinting. I don't know. I might save up. Oh wait, hold on. I need to make more corals. So I can get some of the other types of slimes that there is that I'm about to go discover. So, okay. Let's go to the first place. Or wait, hold on. I was gonna make another garden with carrots in it instead. Actually, I don't have any carrots though, unless they're in here, which is dangerous. I only need one. Oh. This is almost done. It is done, pretty much. Harvest. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Lots of food. Oh, geez. I have a feeling there's more than 8 slimes in there. I don't know. Oh my gosh, why is there so many? How did this happen? I didn't put that many in there. If they keep eating more of the same plorts, can they multiply? Is that how it works? I don't really care. It just takes more money, or more food, I mean. Alright, let's go. I know where this place is. Ow. Let's just see if I run out of health before I get there, because I like to run into rock slimes, it seems. Okay, let's keep going. Into here. Oh, geez. Woo. Oh. SlimeKey. Oh. The Indigo Quarry. All that remains of a mining project that quickly went bust. Okay. That's not fun. Oh, hi pink slime. Where'd you go? Where did he go? Teleportation. Ooh, I like the music. Ooh. Wait, hold on. Ow. Oh, boom slimes. Don't I need a jetpack to like get out of this place or something? Oh, jeez. There's boom slimes everywhere. Why do I feel like I do? Ooh, odd onions. That's right. You find those here. Okay, where are the boom plorts? Boom slimes. Uh-oh. Oh, they always survive. Stony hens. Yes, that's what I want. I can make stony hen coop now. See, the thing about coming to a new place, you get so many new things. Oh, you're a large-o. So now I need another garden with odd onions, another garden, or another coop with stony hens. Oh my gosh, look at all the rock slimes. Oh gosh. Or is this the way out? I forget. No, this is where the rock larger is, I think. Yeah. I forget where the map is. I'm gonna need the map to get back. There's the map. As I say that, I find the map. Yep, that's how it works. There's water slimes here, isn't there? I think there is. But how do I get back? Okay, I see how to get back, but I think you do need a jetpack, which I don't have. Hopefully that's not the case. Because that would not be good. Alright. Okay, give me those. Oh wait. What are those again? Okas? Yeah, but I already have the odd onions. I don't need the okas. Unless, hold on. You need to look at my Slimepedia. Slimes. Boom slimes. They're their favorite are brewer hens. Yeah, you find those somewhere else. What else are there? There's rat slimes which eat. Yeah, I know there's rat slimes and the crystal slimes here. I know the rat slimes eat veggies, I'm pretty sure, and the crystal slimes eat fruit. There's carrots. I already have carrots. Oh, geez. Oh, yeah, there's just water slimes here. Yeah, I'll have to come back for water slimes, but right now I can't. Actually, I'll get their plorts, but... Or, puddle slimes, not water slimes. I'll get their plorts, but I can't. I can't get them yet because I need one of those things. Where are the rat and crystal slimes? Uh-oh. No! Oh, gosh. Why did I do that? I'm stupid. I need a jetpack. Oof. Alright. That was not a good move. Those. I'll take all these. Okay. Sorry guys. There's all your food. Come back here. Boom. Lots of plorts. That's the good thing about getting yourself knocked out on accident. You get lots of plorts afterward. How did that plort not get it sucked in? There's more! Lots. Why is there so many? Jeesh. Alright, I'm gonna sell these. Lots of money. Holy crap. Yay. Oh, see, rad slimes, boom slimes, puddle slimes, crystal slimes. That's what all is there. And I found the boom slimes. But next time, guys, we're going to find the rad slimes, I did find the puddle slimes. But next time, we'll find the rad slimes and the crystal slimes. But that's going to be the end of this video today. Hope you guys are having a good day today. And I'll see you all next time with some more SlimeRacher. Bye!